Hello students, today we are going to be solve numerical problem of module 5. Okay, so in which we have just discussed about the divergence and curl. Okay, so first I am going to take the problem of curl. Suppose that you have to be determined, and this vector field is yeah, or the given vector field is conservative or not. Now what is this conservative fields are? Conservative fields are those field which curl is which curl conservative fields are those field which curl is equal to the zero. So this field this vector field is conservative or not. For that you have to find out the curl. Now how could you find out the curl of any given field? We can determine it with the making a determinant. So as you know that curl is the curl. How we can calculate the curl? For calculating the curl we have find out with the help of determinant. In determinant, in the first row we have write down I j k. In the second row we have write down del upon del x, del upon del y, del upon z z. And with respect to I, x square multiplied by y is coefficient is given. So we have to be write x square multiplied by y here. In j coefficient is x, y, and z. So we have write it here. And k coefficient is minus x square by y square. Now how we can solve it? First we calculate the value of we take the I. So we have take here I and multiply this to oh. When we differentiate x square minus y square with respect to y, so what we will get? We will get minus 2x square y square. X square here behave like a constant. Now we are going to find out the value of j. So when we are going to find out the j, we multiply d upon dx with the ix square y and d upon del upon del z with x square y, and a derivative of this function and with respect to s, and we have find out the derivative of this function with respect to z, and then we have to put the value. So in this way, when we are going to calculate the value of k, we find out the derivative of x y z with respect to x, and find out the derivative of x square y with respect to y, and after that we get this equation. So now we are going to solve this equation. We are calculating the value of I and collecting the value of k and j. And now we have seen here that these all values are not equal to 0. That's why this field is known as a non-conservative field. Okay. Now the next thing. Is the how to find out the divergence of A. As we know that divergence of A or divergence of F, yeah, or any vector is known as a divergence delta dot F. What is the delta? Delta is dx upon dy, dx del x plus del upon del x plus del upon del y plus del upon del z. So suppose that a vector is given here. So what is this vector? This is the vector f is equal to x square yi plus x y z j minus s square y square k. So you have to be just calculate the divergence of this vector. So you have to be just differentiate this equation with respect to x, y, and z. So when you differentiate this equation, the first value is respect to I. So I the if we are going to calculate the divergence, then del x upon del I, and here is x square y, and we are find out the dot product of this two. When we are going to find out the dot product of this two, it becomes 1. So only the left thing is that d upon dx s square phi. Rest of the dot product becomes 0. Similarly dot j is 1. That's why del upon del y is x y z. Similarly k multiply by k is 1. So del upon del z is equal to minus square y square, and it is equal to d 2xy I plus xz. When we are differentiating this all, the first equation with respect to s, second one is with y and z. So we are getting this. So in this way we are calculating the divergence. Now if somebody if some vector is given, and this question is said that is the given vector is the incompressible or not. So what you could do it? For this we have to be find out the first curl of that function, and after that we have calculate the divergence of that function. If the divergence of curl of that function becomes 0, then it is known as a incompressible field. So it is given here, incompressible field mean a field which is not rotational, because what curls represent? Curls represent the rotation of any field. If the divergence of any curl is 0, it means that it is an incompressible field, where there is no flow of the mass. Their total rate of change of mass is equal to 0. Okay, so whenever the examiner asks you that given field is a incompressible or not, then you have to find out plus curl of that field. So how we can find out the curl of that field? With the help of determinant, and you find out the curl. After that you find out the divergence. So divergence is a dot product, and the value of delta is what? Del upon del xi plus del upon del yj del upon del z k. So when you are putting the taking the dot product, I dot I becomes again 1, j dot j again 1, k dot becomes again 1, and after that you can differentiate this, and whatever your result, the result is equal to 0. It means that this field is an incompressible field. Now I am giving you some questions here. You have to be solve this question and submit the assignment of this question. You solved it. uh, 3 4 questions are given. You have to be solved this question and submit the assignment before or 10 o'clock. Okay, it means that I have given you the assignment near about 9 p.m. So you have to be submit that assignment near about 2 p.m. or 3 p.m. Okay. Thank you.